Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Ali Olamide and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, like I promised, I said I was going to do a YouTube video on how to record your reels. So let's get into this. There are two ways to creating reels, and in these two ways, I've broken it down into different parts. So the first way is to do it on Instagram. So Instagram has done this thing where it's possible for you to edit your videos on the social media platform, which is Instagram. So we go into Instagram, and like I mentioned before, the first thing you do is ensure you have your already shot footage, or you can decide to shoot your footage on the spot. So I've gone ahead to save some audios that we can use, and for the first one, like I said, edit on Instagram. We'll be making use of this audio.
In case you want to follow me,
As you can see,
this is what I
videos of
look
this
like
audio.
from behind.
So you can just use audio. Hi, you can see my face. In doing this, you can also now take your video. I'll make it as simple as possible. So I'm making use of this audio and going through my videos. I think I have a video I want to use. So I have so much content on my phone, and being a photographer means you have to always create content. So I was making use of this video I shot of myself while I was shooting Tosin and Dari's wedding. Pre-wedding actually. And then the audio kind of like emphasizes it. So I think we should just ensure that the video you're choosing kind of matches the audio you're kind of also using. So like they're in sync, such a way that by the time anybody's watching, they can kind of relate or they will like it, basically for entertainment, education, so many other stuff as much as you want. So let's try this.
In case you want to follow me, this is what I look like from behind.
And you can always scroll to the part you want.
In case you want to follow me, this is what I look like from behind.
Yeah, so I think I kind of like this, right?
This is what I look like from
So
behind.
like say you had it, then hi again. You can always preview,
In case you want to follow me,
right?
this is what
After
I look like from
previewing,
behind.
very interesting stuff.
In case you want to follow me.
Next, add your captions, share to your audience. But I'm going to like save to my draft because I'm not ready to share this, and I want to show you more content that we can use. So that's number one way of doing it. What you do is you get your audio. You can always also search for your audios, right? You can search for, let's say it's Plenty by Burna Boy. You can see it in your audio. It is there, right? So this is just ensure you have your audio and you have the content you want to do, and you can use that. So I'm going to also show another example using that method again. Then going back again, the method 2 is one Instagram is trying to promote. They're trying to do these things. People, if you watch a lot of tutorial videos or people that show tutorials on Instagram, they show use CapCut, use VN, then 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 0.8 seconds for a number of clips and stuff. So Instagram is trying to do this thing where the people that edit videos, once you edit your video on Instagram, there's this icon on Instagram that shows use templates, right? I hope you can see that. Instagram has made it in such a way that you can make use of templates. So templates are such a way that people that edit their videos on Instagram, once they edit it on Instagram, you can make use of the templates for whatever content you want to use it for. So if you like the way they did it, you can decide to align yourself with the template the person uses. So we are going to make use of this person's templates, right? I like the audio, very amazing stuff. So what should we use it for? I think we can use it for the wedding I shot behind the scenes of the wedding I shot last week. Congratulations, Tommy and Toby. So like I said, add media. So you'll be adding media, go to videos again. So we'll be needing videos that have 1.2 second, 1.2 second, 1.2 seconds 3 times, and 0.3 second 3 times, and 1.3 seconds. You can decide to use everything, or you can decide to just maybe use 2 or 3, right? So we're making use of behind the scenes shots from last week wedding and shots. I had my assistant do it. Thank you, Big V Media, always coming through. Right, you can use 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's use that. So let's see what it looks like. Right, so I think we can go back. Oh, sorry, you can add media. You can see add a little bit of media. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the other parts, right, that I have. So let's say we use this where they were dancing, and so when do okay, I think that's fine. We can also add this part to it so we can check everything. Then you can always edit the media, right? So you click on the media, you can always edit it. Just in case you don't want somebody, you don't want a particular face. But that's the face of my assistant. Alright. So we can edit this again. So we can always replace media. I think I feel like replacing this media in the end. I want to replace it to something that I feel will match what I'm trying to talk about, just behind the scenes. I hope you understand. Oh, let's use this one where the sky is showing. So watch this. Okay, so this last one is not matching because it starts the clip at where this guy is at. So we can use this. So like I said, 1.2, 1.2 seconds, 1.1 seconds, 0.0 seconds, 0.3. I hope you understand what I'm doing. So you can make use of templates that way. So push. I just shared it. Oh my god. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to download it before I post it, before I remove it. But yeah, that's method number 2. I hope you understand what I've been doing all the way to now. Let's even see this one. This is another one I use as template. I hope you can hear the audio. So this was someone's template that I used. 2.1 seconds, 1.3 seconds, 1.1, 1.3, 1.3, 1.3, 1.3. I hope you understand. This way is very easy. So be on the lookout for templates. By the time you are scrolling through audios, you are scrolling through the Instagram reels, look for the parts where you see this template. You can always use that person's template. So next, I'm just going to save draft. Let's see. I think our video has uploaded, so I can remove it. Yes. Let's just remove it. So those are the 2 methods you can go about with on Instagram. The 3rd method you can go with on Instagram is very interesting. Instagram is evolving and it's improving. So let's make use of this audio. Let's see. So I'm making use of this glimpse of us audio, right? I'm not going to play it because copyright infringement and stuff. So what I'll be doing is I'll be editing it on Instagram. Yeah, I'll be editing on Instagram here and use audio, which is this 3rd method is also almost the same thing as the 1st method. The only difference is the first one I only used 1 video, but for this 3rd one I'm going to use multiple videos. So same way we've done before, we're making use of the clips from last week to document and show the beautiful couple. Videos, Then always watch out for the audio. It's very important. So use audio, right? You can always edit the audio. I want to use this part of the audio, right? You can always edit the audio to the part you want to use, right? And going back again to the video, we're looking at when they were dancing, when they were looking at each other. Let's use this part. So going back to this, Instagram needs to work on this thing. They're always taking me out of video. I'm working on video, for crying out loud. So this part where they're looking at each other. Then you can add other clips here. Instagram needs to do better. I want to just edit the video. I just want to stay on video and do not disturb. Then you add more. Just keep adding more to it as much as you want, right? I think I want to have a video of them working together. So I want just the part where they are working together. So I think I want to just end it at this part. So let's preview it. So when you edit videos, right? You can then reorder depending on what you want to do, and you can press next, and just post it on your Instagram. Saving draft again, so we don't make the mistake of posting.